How to install the projector, the bracket, the location map and the expansion tube. First, install the bracket in. Here is a screw, and then take it off out. There is a slot in the bracket, align and fix it slightly. This location map is passed where we want to install. There is a hole on it, then fix it with a screwdriver. We use a small electric drill to drill it tightly. Then use an expansion tube to drive in. Align with the bracket and then fix it with a screwdriver. Now we will teach you how to correct the angle. Use a crucier with a screwdriver. Every positions of the projection lamp can be adjusted. That's to say it can adjust 360 degrees. Then, we can adjust the angle that we want to adjust. This is our projector installation.